There is a popular quote by Napoleon that your only limitation is the one you set up within you. All the limits are self imposed. Don't limit the challenges, challenge is the limit. These are the quotes you have heard mostly, but have you ever taken any action to counter your limits? Good evening, everyone. I'm Ankit. Again, I am here with my new topic. You all got the hint by the above quotes that what will be the today's topic. So today's topic is you are your only limit. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you not able to dance? Are you not able to sing? Are you not able to promote any product? Do you hesitate to speak in public? Do you hesitate to come in front of camera? If the answer is yes, then you are living in a boundary, and the boundary called is self comfort zone. The zone in which you are very comfortable, you are happy, you are safe, and you don't even think to cross that boundary because you are safe there. There is a prison in your mind, and that prison is called limit. You limit yourself in every aspects of your life, whether it is singing, dancing, self learning, self education, learning new things, creative things, whatever you can imagine. You have a fear that what other think, what happen if they comment on you, what happen if they insult you. But don't you think that if they are insulting you, if they are commenting on you, it means that they themselves can't perform that task. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग है कि क्या कहेंगे लोग. लोग तो कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Don't pay attention to them. Don't think about them. If you really want to be successful in your life, then you have to break the shackles created by you only. And how you will break that shackle? Cross the boundary. Take actions. Take action now. Cross the limit. Do new things. Get a mentorship. Get a mentor who will tell you that what to do or what not to do. It is very important to break the limits, to break the boundary. Once you break that limit, you feel yourself happy, proud. And once you do that, the people who commenting on you, they stop doing that because they know they can't do that, but you are doing that. Once you are being successful, then those very same people will appreciate you. And believe me, those comments, those negative things will promote you for future. In future, will encourage you to be successful in the life. At last, I just want to say, just break the limit. Just break the limit here. Break the limit here, you will be successful. And once you break this limit, then sky is the limit. Thank you.